Morgan conducted dihedral cross on the Drosophila, and he found that the genes or the factors did not segregate independently, and the dihybrid ratio was also deviated from 9 ratio 3 ratio 3 ratio 1. So in his experiment he considered three characters. One is the body color, having the two traits, one is dominant trait, or this is called as wild type, and next one is recessive trait. And in relation to body color, brown color is the dominant, or this is wild, and while the yellow color is the recessive. In the same way, in relation to the eye color, red color is the dominant or called the wild type, and the recessive, and the white color is the recessive. In the same way, wing size, normal size is the dominant or wild type, while miniature is the recessive trait. And these genes responsible to carry these characters are found only on the X chromosomes. Y chromosome do not have such genes. And we see that gene Y, that is responsible for body color, and the eye color are very close to each other, while the gene responsible for the wing size, it is away from the both. So as we have studied that genes which were tightly packed showed very low recombination. They showed very low recombination. And while the genes are loosely packed are the genes which are loosely linked. Genes which are loosely linked showed high frequency of the recombination. So genes which are tightly linked means those who are very close. So tightly linked, they have very low frequency of the recombination. While the genes as this which are loosely linked, so they show more recombination in comparison to the genes which are the closely linked or which are the tightly linked. So in this experiment, in this dihybrid toss, he considered only two characters, eye color, this is eye color, and wing size. This is the female and that is the male, these are the parents. This is the white monitor and this is the white, and this is the white normal. Sorry, this is the red normal. This is the red eye color, and this is called in white, that is the red eye color. That having the red eye color and normal wing size, red eye color and normal wing size, and that is called as the wild type. And they produce gamete. Since this is homogametic, so produce one type of gamete. This is the two. This produces two type of gametes. 50% gamete X chromosome and 50% gamete contain the Y chromosome. So here homogametic only one type gametes are produced, and into the F1 generation when the cross into the F1 generation, such type of offsprings are the produced. And if a cross is made into the individuals of the F1 generation, if a cross is made into the individuals of the F1 generation, they producing the gametes. They produce gametes. This is the female producing these four type of the gametes, and male produces only the two type of the gametes. They producing, if there is no crossing of, where there is no crossing over, they will W and M. This is W and the M, and here there will be crossing over. The exchange of this segment to this and this by this, so they will produce W and the M plus, and the other gamete W plus and M, and third type gamete is W plus and the M plus. So four type of the gametes are produced by the female. Once again understand, this is a WW, this is the one with no crossing over. In this segment no crossing over is there, and here crossing over is there. So here W, this will exchange of this segment will be there. So there will be W and M plus, and here W plus and M, and here W plus and M plus, and there is no exchange. And in the same way here they will produce only one type of the gametes. They having the X gamete is here and having the Y chromosome is there. That gamete contain the X chromosome and 50% gamete contain the Y chromosome. And into the F1 generation, which type of the offsprings will be produced into the F1 generation? If there are the possibilities of this X chromosome to combine with the Y chromosome. If such combination takes place, there is a formation of such type of the individual. WM, this one is the, and W and M here, male gamete. This is male gamete and this is female gamete. Such combination is there. And other combination may be possible if they may be fused with the male gamete having the Y chromosome. So having such possibilities may be there. WM will be as the female gamete, and this is the X or Y chromosome of the male gamete. So in this way, X and X, this will be of the female child, this will be of the female child, and this side I have written this as the male child, and this side written as the female child. And here second possibility is there. Second possibility is there. In this situation, this gamete may fuse by this gamete. This female gamete may be fused with the X chromosome, with the gamete, male gamete having X chromosome. So such possibilities may be there. WM is the female gamete, WM plus is here, and WM of the male gamete is there, and offspring will be of the female child. And other possibilities may be there. Other possibilities may be there. This gamete may be fused with the gamete, male gamete having Y chromosome. So such possibilities may be there. And other possibility, next possibilities may be there. This female gamete, this female gamete may fuse with the male gamete having the X chromosome, that having the such third possibilities may W plus is here and M is here, and W and M is here. And here in this next possibilities in relation to when this female gamete fused with the male gamete having X chromosome, this possibility may be there. W plus and here this M, W plus M, and this is the Y chromosome is here. This gamete is produced here, and by fusion of female gamete with the male gamete having the Y chromosome, possibility is formation of such type of the offspring. And another possibilities is there. Last possibility we can see that here the male gamete, female gamete fuse with the male gamete. Such possibilities is there. Such possibilities is there. And if this gamete fuse with this gamete, next this possibilities may be there. As a result, male child will be produced here. Then in this situation, what we find? What we find the result? Here we find the result of this as parental type, as parental type and recombinant. Recombinant type, this one the parental type is here only 62.8%, 62.8%, while recombinant type is the 37.2%. And previous experiment we had seen that parental type was 98.7%, 98.7%, and the recombinant type was only 1.3% is there. This was related to the distance between the genes, distance between the genes. If more genes are, if the distance between the gene is more, the frequency of recombination or the recombinant will be more. If the distance between the genes is less, the proportion of or the frequency of the recombination is the very less. Thanks for today.